Housecall Pro's online booking tool can collect new jobs automatically from your website, Google profile, or direct booking link without you answering the phone. By the end of this, you'll know how to turn it on, connect it to your schedule, and make sure customers book the right services. The setup starts inside your Housecall Pro dashboard. Log in on desktop and go to Settings. Look for Online Booking. If you're on mobile, stop there. The full setup works better on desktop because you can edit services and booking rules faster. First, turn the feature on. Once it's active, Housecall Pro creates a booking page. That page is where customers pick services, choose time slots, and send requests. Now build your service list. Only add services that are easy to schedule. Things like AC tune-ups, drain cleaning, or electrical inspections work well. Bigger custom jobs like full rewiring or remodels usually need an estimate first. For each service, add the name, description, and pricing structure. If you charge flat rate, list it. If pricing changes by job size, leave it as quote-based. That avoids locking yourself into the wrong price. Next, connect your availability. Housecall Pro syncs with your calendar, so your booking times depend on your business hours. Set your workdays, time blocks, and any gaps between jobs. If you need travel time, build that into your availability. Otherwise, customers can stack appointments too close together. After that, set your service areas. This matters more than most people realize. If your business only covers a 20-mile area but online booking is open everywhere, you'll get requests you can't take. Then customize the intake questions. Keep it short. Ask for the customer's name, phone number, address, and a short description of the problem. If you need photos for certain jobs, add that too. Now, test it. Use your own booking link and submit a fake request. Make sure it lands in your dashboard. Check that notifications work. And confirm the time slot blocks correctly. Then publish it. Add the booking link to your website, social pages, and Google business profile. That's where most service businesses get the quickest visibility. Quick recap. Enable online booking. Add services. Connect your calendar. Limit your service area. And test the full process. Your next step is simple. Set up your top-selling service first. That gets you taking online bookings faster and gives you a clean system to expand later. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Housecall Pro tutorials and setup guides.